Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Schreiber, a small railway town along the north shore of Lake Superior in Ontario. Schreiber gets its name from Sir Collingwood Schreiber, a railway engineer who played a big role in building the Canadian Pacific Railway in the late 1800s. The town was established as a railway divisional point, and for many years, nearly every family here had someone working for the railroad. You can still see that railway history today, from the old train station to the tracks that run right through town. Schreiber is surrounded by rugged hills, thick forests, and stunning views of Lake Superior just a few minutes away. Whether you're visiting for the history, the nature, or just a peaceful break from the highway, Schreiber is a stop that's full of character and charm. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Schreiber, Ontario.